Samritera ekakan karna chakra jivan. Karna chakra jiye se aise. Ashe, excuse me. Se ashe. Bhagya vashe kabupai. Abhagye kabu napai. Napaile maraye piyase. Radharani continues to glorify Krishna. One particle of the transcendental blissful nectar is the life and soul of the ears. Amrita ekakan karna chakora jivan. The chakora of my ears, the chakora of my ears, the chakora bird of my ears lives on one kana, one drop of the nectar of Krishna's words. That's like us. The chakora, the bird of our life, lives on each syllable, the holy name. Hare Krishna, Hare Ram. Without that name, we are dead. Without the Nam, there is no Jivan for the Bhakta. One particle of that transcendental blissful nectar is the life and soul of the ear. Interesting. What happened to the little Chakora bird? It's there in the word, and that's anyone knows that. Karna Chakora Jiye Ashe. And it's the only hope and aspiration of the Chakora of my ears. Bhagye Vashe Kabupai. Bhagye Vashe, if someone has good fortune, then sometimes he said, Bhagye Vashe Kabupai, Abhagye Kabu Napai. Sometimes by good fortune the bird can taste that nectar, and other times the bird is unfortunate, Abhagya, and cannot taste. And when he can't taste the nectar, then the Chakora bird dies. Napaile Marye Piyase. In other words, Radharani is confiding in the Sakhi. Lalita Sakhi is saying, my ears are like Chakora birds, I just need a few drops from the cloud, from the nectar. Jiva Veno Kaladwani, Ekabara Tahashuni, Jagannari Chitu Olhai. Nivi Banda Pare Kasi, Vina Mole Hayadasi. Bhauli Hana Krishna Pashe Dhai. The transcendental vibration, Venu Kala Dwani. Venu Kala Dwani becomes the transcendental vibration of Krishna's Venu. Somehow Venu Kala Dwani is much nicer. Disturbs the hearts of all women. Jagan Nari Chitta Olai. Olai, they become disturbed. Nari Chitta, the consciousness and minds of all the ladies in the universe become disturbed just by one sound. Just hearing that once. And just one sound of Krishna's voice or flute or ornaments and their nivibandha, the knots in their undergarments untie, kasi, and then Vina Mule Edasi. And then without any price, they become Krishna's, Mule means price, like everywhere. They become Krishna's servants. Not only that, they become mad. Baul, you heard the bowels, the Apasampradayas, the owls and the bowels and all these different persons. So these women become unpaid maidservants of Krishna. They run towards Krishna like mad women. Bauli Hana Krishna Pashedaya. They run to be near Krishna. Like we are, like we're standing here, we also became bowels. Radharani saying, we're all so mad. We all ran from our houses and gave up everything in the middle of the night at midnight to run to the banks of the Yamuna to stand in front of Murlidhar, who's taunting and teasing us with all these negative words.